Hey guys! Today I have a fun quick project for you, this DIY spice rack. It is actually very versatile and I will show you how later on. But first, the best part. It's made of scrap wood. Click the thumbs up if you like making useful things out of scrap wood. Now to make the spice rack, I cut up 5 pieces of scrap 1x4 boards to the required lengths. I fell short on the boards by just a little bit, so I ended up ripping up a few of the wider boards to size. You can get the exact lengths and a schematic of all the cuts on the blog by clicking the link above or in the description. Now to make the slots, I use my Blade Runner X2, but you can totally use a jigsaw or a table saw, basically whatever works for you. You need 4 of each of the lengths of the boards. Once it is all cut up and sanded, I started putting them all together. It's like a jigsaw puzzle. And if you're really careful with all your cuts, everything should fit together very nicely. In retrospect, I should have stained the boards before I assembled it. Now, once everything was working together, I went ahead and glued it all up and attached the final ends with finished nails. And that's it! It is a super simple, quick and versatile project. It can be used vertically or horizontally on the countertop. Plus, you can hang it up on the wall too. And that is exactly what I did. And I am using it for my craft paint storage. What will you use it for? Let me know in the comments. In fact, this project is a part of a scrapwood challenge, so be sure to hop on over to the blog to see all the awesome scrapwood projects put together by 17 other amazing bloggers. And don't forget to subscribe because I have many more fun projects coming up that you do not want to miss. Bye!